If you are passionate about the future of the U.S. and enabling us to have a technology advantage, this is a place, the U.S. Strategic Tech Fund, for you to put your capital to work.
We believe we face big challenges, and we believe that America is positioned to tackle those challenges. And so we want to identify the founders and the companies that are behind that change. And this is why we've spun up this fund in the last 18 to 24 months, is we're seeing government look to private industry and say, we need the speed and the power and the excitement that founders bring.
We need to be aggressive about this. AI is changing everything, and it's changing the way that we think about the U.S. security as much as any other area.
I would say the world is radically changing in terms of what we need as a society. We need more power, and so we're looking at new solutions in energy production, whether that's solar, wind, nuclear, a number of different form and functions of that. We're also seeing, limiting factors and constraints on compute. We want to do more. We need more from the technology around us, and that's going to require, more efficient compute systems, better chips, better semiconductors. We see strategic advantage as something beyond just investing in defense. This is everything from modular nuclear reactors that are powering data centers for the AI battle, all the way to clean drinking water, to supplying our warfighters with drones on the battlefield, all the way to cybersecurity and industrial autonomy. One of the things that we look at is where policy meets what's happening in the private markets. We're trying to see these big kind of shifts that are happening from Washington all the way to Silicon Valley. We see massive return potential in the companies that we invest in, but there's also a really strong kind of thematic purpose behind what we do. We started this fund because we believe in America, and we also believe that the challenges we face are very real. But we believe we're going to be able to solve those challenges. And that's the type of companies that we're looking for in the fund.
So I think the U.S. Strategic Tech Fund can be understood by just looking at one company. It's called Astro Mechanica. So we joined this company, and it's building an engine for supersonic flight. Now, why it fits within the U.S. Strategic Tech Fund is because it's what's called dual use. It has a purpose for defense, but it also has a purpose for private flight. It's moving really, really fast. Their development cycle is 6 times faster than typical aerospace.
A great example of this is, as we've seen with the war in Ukraine, is our ability to manufacture drones or other supplies for our warfighters. And so we have a company in the portfolio called Firestorm that actually creates drone factories inside of a shipping container that you can deploy right onto the battlefield. We do not wait for pitch decks to get into our inbox. We really try to be at that cutting edge of where government, where big tech, and where founders are operating. So working with the scientists, with the engineers in the national labs, going to founder summits, hosting events or conferences ourselves, that's really the special sauce of this fund. We're seeing where those challenges are. We're seeing the regulatory and policy tailwinds. And then we're identifying those founders and those technologies that are solving those problems. We're currently raising U.S. Strategic Tech Fund 2, which kind of gives you the full range of all the companies that we would invest in as part of the fund. We also have our U.S. Strategic Technology Fund syndicate, so you can look at one-off deals as we do them that are going into the fund, give you an opportunity to do direct exposure.
Investing in the U.S. Strategic Tech Fund enables you to put your capital to work, investing in technologies that can help the U.S. succeed, and it comes from the private sector, enabling the U.S. to be more successful by the innovation that happens in tech, in the private sphere, most often by venture-backed companies. That's where we play.
We believe a lot of people are aligned with this mission of supporting America because they believe in her. And so if you want to just follow along for the ride, we have plenty of opportunities for people to do that.